Norwich City legend Jeremy Goss said H is recovering from a frightening car crash and is lucky to be alive. The former Premier League star, who played internationally for Wales, was travelling along the towards Sprowston in Norfolk when a car smashed into him.
The 58-year-old UEFA Cup winner was driving between the Norwich Aviation Museum and the roundabout near the airport after appearing at a Saxon Air event. But while driving in the left-hand lane, a blue car was heading towards him going well over the speed limit.
The horror smash happened at around 3 p.m. on Wednesday, January 31st. He said, "I was in the left-hand lane, glanced in my rearview mirror and saw this blue car heading straight towards me, going well over the speed limit. I spontaneously gripped the steering wheel as tight as I could, so much that I later found out I cracked a bone on my wedding ring finger, and dropped my chin into my chest expecting the worst.
The car collided into the back of me like an explosion. The sound was frightening. He then described total disorientation before the vehicle finally stopped moving around 100 meters on.
The UEFA Cup winner recalled he ended up on the grass verge, on the left-hand side of the carriageway. Most read in football icon gone Germany star Andreas Bremer, who scored winner in 1990 World Cup final, dies at 6,399. Problems fans say it's not April 1st as Man United legend Solskjaer linked with Bayern job. Blunderland Beale lost Sunderland dressing room with squad fuming at what he did after loss. Mays race. Man United set Greenwood price tag as La Liga pair prepare for transfer battle. I was worried the car could either be on fire, or catch fire, so I quickly opened my door and knew instantly I was in pain but was desperate to get out, he added.
I collapsed on the grass verge in a position which was as pain-free as possible. My initial worry was that I had broken my back. Before I knew it, a fire engine appeared and an ambulance followed by the police.
I feel lucky to be alive, honestly. Paramedics rushed to the scene before transporting Mr. Goss to the NN hospital to undergo X-rays and tests. Around 10 hours later he was thankfully given the all clear. The City legend can now walk on his own but is still going through recovery.
He told how his family helped him out of bed for the first week and there is damage to his ribs, kidneys, lower back and hip which caused him agony. However, Mr. Goss said he is delighted with his progress and grateful as things could have been so much worse.
And, although he is still in recovery, the former Premier League star met up with old teammates Brian Gunn, Chris Sutton, Ian Crook and Mark Bowen at Carrow Road to rewatch their famous UEFA Cup victory over Bayern Munich with Canaries fans. He said, "I didn't want to miss out on seeing my teammates and was relieved I could get myself there.
It has given me a huge boost to see them and it was a very special night. It meant the world to me." Mr. Goss won the FA Youth Cup with Norwich in 1983 and made 188 senior appearances between 1984 and 1996, scoring 14 goals in his impressive career.
The City legend is best known inside and outside of Norfolk for his volley during a 2-1 win at Bayern Munich in the Uefa Cup in October 1993. Read more. Son STORIESBIG signing reality TV diva signs for celebrity Big Brother after split from husband. Tragic loss. Healthy dad dies 2 weeks after doctors discovered true cause of his bloating in 1996. He joined Scottish side Hearts, but unfortunately injuries meant he was forced to leave and he finished his career with Kings Lynn.
He returned to a Carrow Road role in May 2019 as a club ambassador. This is a developing story. The Sun is your go-to destination for the best football, boxing and MMA news, real-life stories, jaw-dropping pictures and must-see video.
Like us on Facebook at https://www.facebook.com/thesunfootball and follow us from our main Twitter account at @thesunfootball.